Welcome to the medical test MCQs. Scribe. Question number 1. The functional unit of the kidney is. The correct answer option number A, nephron. Question number 2. Which part of the nephron is responsible for filtration? The correct answer option number B, Woman's capsule. Question number 3. Urine is stored in the correct answer option number C, bladder. Question number 4. The tube that carries urine from kidney to bladder is the correct answer option number C, ureter. Question number 5. Which hormone regulates water reabsorption in the kidneys? The correct answer option number B, ADH. Question number 6. The outer layer of the kidney is called. The correct answer option number A, cortex. Question number 7. The process of urine formation does not include. The correct answer option number C, digestion. Question number 8. Which structures collects urine from nephrons? The correct answer option number D, collecting duct. Question number 9. The main nitrogenous waste excreted in urine is. The correct answer option number A, urea. Question number 10. The kidney maintains acid-base balance by excreting. The correct answer option number B, hydrogen ions. Question number 11. The structure that filters blood in the nephron is. The correct answer option number C, glomerulus. Question number 12. Which blood vessel bring blood to the kidneys? The correct answer option number B, renal artery. Question number 13. Normal urine does not contain. The correct answer option number C, glucose. Question number 14. The loop of Henle is located in the. The correct answer option number B, renal medulla. Question number 15. ADS increases water reabsorption in the. The correct answer option number D, collecting duct. Question number 16. The urethra in females is. The correct answer option number C, shorter than in males. Question number 17. The kidneys help regulate. The correct answer option number D, all of the above. Question number 18. Which part of the urinary system is a muscular sac? The correct answer option number B, bladder. Question number 19. The glomerulus is a. The correct answer option number A, capillary network. Question number 20. Which is not a function of the kidneys? The correct answer option number B, regulate glucose. Question number 21. Renin is secreted by the. The correct answer option number B, juxtaglomerular apparatus. Question number 22. Which component is reabsorbed completely under normal conditions? The correct answer option number C, glucose. Question number 23. The inner region of the kidney is known as? The correct answer option number B, medulla. Question number 24. Which structure in the nephron is involved in reabsorption of most water and solutes? The correct answer option number C, proximal tubule. Question number 25. Erythropoietin is produced by? The correct answer option number B, spleen. Question number 26. Micronutrition is the process of? The correct answer option number C, urination. Question number 27. Which vessels carries filtered blood away from the kidney? The correct answer option number C, renal vein. Question number 28. Which ion is most commonly secreted in distal tubules? The correct answer option number B, potassium. Question number 29. The renal pelvis connects to the? The correct answer option number A, ureter. Question number 30. Ureters transport urine through? The correct answer option number D, peristalsis. Question number 31. Which of the following is a waste product from muscles metabolism? The correct answer option number B, creatinine. Question number 32. Which part of the urinary system is shortest in the females? The correct answer option number C, urethra. Question number 33. The urinary bladder is lined with? The correct answer option number D, transitional epithelium. Question number 34. Which hormone controls sodium reabsorption? The correct answer option number C, aldosterone. Question number 35. Filtration rate in kidneys is called? The correct answer option number A, GFR. Question number 36. The glomerular capsule is also called? The correct answer option number B, woman's capsule. Question number 37. Blood enters the glomerulus via the? The correct answer option number C, afferent arteriole. Question number 38. Urine is acidic due to? The correct answer option number D, H plus ions. Question number 39. The average adult excretes about how much urine daily? The correct answer option number C, 1.5 liters. Question number 40. Which condition is caused by failure of kidneys to the function? The correct answer option number C, renal failure. Question number 41. The kidney is located in which region? The correct answer option number B, abdominal. Question number 42. The renal corpuscles consist of? The correct answer option number A, glomerulus plus Bowman's capsule. Question number 43. The final composition of urine is determined in the correct answer option number C, distal tubule and collecting duct. Question number 44. Kidney stones are primarily made of. The correct answer option number B, calcium compounds. Question number 45. Urinary incontinence refers to. The correct answer option number D, uncontrolled urination.